cunts. Cunts.
Hey.
Ow!
Hey, have a good day.
Oh my God, what is wrong with you? Oh my God.
All right.
Oh Lord. Bless, I hate you. God dang it.
Go. Go.
See, she'll look around.
What?
She scared the absolute dog shit out of us.
Boy, scare the hell out of somebody.
All right.
I'm just kidding.
All right. Rise and shine, honey.
What the hell wrong with that hole?
Dumbass on, stupid ass, dumbass.
Let's see what he's got to say to us.
He is just a train wreck mess.
Yeah.
He's running.
What the world is that?
Go.
Yeah, it's true. Before I knew it, I was holding on the doors, holding your hand, getting off of work just as fast as I can, calling you up, asking what you're doing, girl. Before I knew it, I was spending my time, spending my paycheck all around you, girl. I gotta say, this whole love thing, thought I'd never do it, but
What you know about rolling down in the brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut. That's why I'm easy. I'm easy like Sunday morning. That's why I'm easy. It wasn't me.
Hey!
Cuando sacó esa hijo de puta, weón, se acabó bañar, hijo de puta.
¡Ay, se lo chinga la madre! ¡Ay, güey! ¡No mames, cabrón!
She just wants attention. She's a Pisces. Look right over at that camera. Very good. You know what we should do? We should get a picture of just the birthday chicken nuggets, okay? Stay right there. Mom and Dad, come on out of there. No, leave your children unattended. Yep, perfect. You guys wave goodbye to your mom and dad for me, just in case. And turn around so Bravo can wish you a happy birthday. You guys did a happy birthday! We love
I feel good.
Whoa, motherfucker! This is shit.
Try it. I get these pieces from the store. Goddamn. Yeah.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the
That's what I have planned for Mo when he comes to look for a cold one. I'm rotten.
Damn it, Jewel. You gotta quit that shit. I'm serious. You gonna quit? You got a problem. I'm done with it. Quit.
Look at me.
No, I'm tired of that shit.
Watching your friends' kids.
No.
Scare pranks.
What is it?
company.
Oh my god. You do.
It's about drive.
Mother. Stop it.
Stop what?
It's not funny.
Part 2.
For being such a big part of the Spurs family, Robert and Rosie. Right, day to day, there was a lot of excitement when he entered the building tonight. Made the trip up to Oakland and was he going to play, and then he just disappeared on us for a while. Oh, it's Playful Kobe. Playful Kobe's in.
Like Notre Dame was just maybe good.
Gotta represent, Ryan.
Oh, shit.
Are you guys good?
Run.
Ty vole, to... Milonko, my taky asi přijdeme o to.
That is the attic insulation leaving the attic.
It's a fucking cows.
From that roof completely ripped up. Look how much debris was up near the cloud, but you don't need the cloud to have a tornado. The circulation is on the ground, ripping things up. Look at that, the roof goes. You've got all kinds of...
There he goes. There he goes. I caught it. God damn.
Stromboli volcano eruption.
What? Look. Oh, look. Oh my God, did you see?
Oh my God, Dayton. This is amazing.
Dayton watched it form right over there.
We called it, bro.
You look, it's still going.
Oh my God. Hey, let's get inside, huh?
The Pilger sisters.
Okay, let's go. Let's creep. Just keep an eye right there, Midnight White. Okay, guys, let's go.
Okay, let's get up there. Go forward. Yep. It's coming down right here in front of us. Wipers, please.
Oh, wow.
Here it goes, buddy. Wipers, please.
Yeah.
Keep them on.
Yeah.
Here we go. Here we go. Ricky, if you see a road going to the left here, or to the right, I should say, you're going to take it. Okay?
Well, boys, I fucking center a little too fucking hard, but I really hope I. Oh, yo! Oh,
Go to the floor. Go. Come on.
Here it comes. God damn it.
All right, Jordan, fire it in there.
Baby, tell me, how did you get so cold enough to chill my bones? Feels like I don't want you anymore.
First pitch, which I can't decide whether that's the worst.
And his first pitch was not great. Just a bit outside.
A few minutes ago, John Wall of the Washington Wizards, as we wondered what...
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me.
Slovenia som slippes ut over kanten her til publikums fortrystelse. Skal vi se hvordan det går. Ja.
¡Vamos, vamos, vamos! ¡Chinga tu madre!
Wide open and a flick into the end zone by Jerome Simpson. Oh, goodness. You'll be seeing that one the rest of today, into tomorrow, the entire week. It's one thing to leap over a guy. It's another thing to finish the flip on your feet.
Oh, shit! Meinen Krankenwagen kurz geschlossen hat. Klar!
Hey! 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 Oh my God! Hey! 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 Oh my God!
Oj, 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 aj, aj!
Big Bad Brad here, back by popular demand. Popular on the East Coast, popular on the West Coast, and yeah, everywhere in between. Often get asked a couple questions. How do you make all them shots, and how long does it take? Well, number one, it takes what it takes. And number two, a lifetime of practice.
We're not on tour. We're driving back to the clubhouse from golf. You're like, where the hell are you? I'm saying the same exact thing. Hold on, boys. Let's do it. Get this there. Driving and filming. I just got like 10 degrees cooler driving through there. Now check it out. Show you the golf course in a second. You're waiting for it. You're waiting for it. You're waiting for it. You're still waiting for it.
You know why they make railings like this?
Look at this, guys.
Because of idiots like you that
Look
drive.
at the golf course. Now here's the main part of the waterfall, which is the whole lake up there. It's just incredible. Just incredible. This is fun.
I can't believe that worked.
You know what she said to me? She said, you're a player, aren't you? And I bet you got hoes. I said, you don't know me like that. I just go with the flow. She said, you can't fool me like that. You're gonna leave me on red. I said, why don't you try me on out? I know you wanna be friends, but friends turn into sleepovers, and sleepovers turn into love. Love turns into jealousy, and now we both fucked up, 'cause we're stuck in the middle of lovers and friends. And
Oh, he takes his shot. Dion's giving that whole field left hook. Did you see that? That's a classic. I mean, that's some good duking.
George has time, and his pass is intercepted. Uh-oh, they're not catching him down the sideline. Deion Sanders is dancing. He's looking backwards from about the 40-yard line. Oh, they're going to do a number on the crowd here.
Kevin Harlan's best call of all time.
5:03 to go. Someone has run on the field. Some guy with a bra. And now he's not being chased. He's running down the middle, the 40. Arms in the air in a victory salute. He's pulling down his pants. Put up your pants, my man. Pull up those pants. He's being chased to the 30. He breaks a tackle from a security guard. The 20, down the middle, the 10, the 5. He slides at the 1, and they converge on him at the goal line.
You gotta score.
Pull up your pants, take off the bra, and be a man.
3, 2, 1, swing.
That's looking good.
That's in the hole.
That's in.
That's
Let's get it. Hop off a 16 passenger. This a G5, no, this not a Challenger. Big one. I get some lemons with me in the fridge. The coat seats, they some cannibals. They like to geek. Drink a whole bottle, wake up and repeat. Damn. She took a look, mixed it with the chill out. Now she said she's saying 3D.
Schwartz trying his best. Look at Fury! What unbelievable upper body movement defensively. 4 punches missed with the head movement. He's got everything here in this second round going.
this is how I show my love. I'm playing it in my mind because I'm blaming it on my ADD, baby. This is how an angel does.
He maybe he slid in successfully. Chanier makes it in there safely as well. And now nobody's covering home. Can he do it? You bet he can. You'll never see it again, folks.
And this the final curtain call at the Kingdom for the Mariners. From the stretch, Garcia's 1-0 pitch is swung on, hit well to center field. Griffey going back. He's at the track. He leaps, and he makes the catch. Holy cow, he got it. Oh, my. He got it. He took a home run away from Gonzalez. And side retired. One of the better catches by Griffey. Holy cow, he did it again. And after 3.5, the Mariners lead it 4-2.
Let's go!
Oh, what a hit. Look out. The pick happens.
Pulls it down to run and gets
flat outball.
steps up, throws, and he completes the pass. 20 to the Rose Bowl's Connor Shaw down the middle, and a big
Warden from his own 40. Oh!
And he's going to come up short. Oh! Quick turn route. Amendola hit and then Spanish caught. Very just weaves into it.
Big over the middle and in the get his head out of there or try to hits him with a shoulder.
Oh, big hits with his helmet to helmet here. 19 in the sack.
There's going to be a post-high safety just waiting for him.
Here comes Brown. Number 59, middle of your screen.
Out, go right back up and at regular speed. Look.
Stands tall, delivers over the middle.
5, the clock has expired, and
The possession guy. Oh! You know who?
Off and running. Oh, he is nailed in the...
Oh! Inside the 5-yard line. And Amendola comes across. He got leveled.
His left. Here comes the pressure. Oh, he's right.
Down the middle. Puts the air under it. There's no...
And dumps it off this Coleman. Oh, my goodness.
But Bernard has caught the ball, turned.
Glory lasts for a couple seconds. That kind of contact.
Here comes pressure. He's going to get drilled. The ball is loose.
What a hit.
You know, I still to this day wish I was on the dream team. You know, it's still in the back of my mind. I just don't understand why they just didn't select me. I met the criteria.
Damn, that's crazy. Hey, Mike right here, talk to him.
But I met the criteria.
Damn.
That nigga still mad you ain't want him.
Shit, he should have shook hands back in the day. Fuck him. Hey, Old ass nigga still crying about that shit. Fuck out my face.
Mike. Rodman, my dog. What's up with you? Hey, you seen Pippen? No, fuck Scotty. Come here. Hey, MJ.
Luka. How you doing, man? Good to see you, man. You like a white version of me.
Thank
you know that?
Hey, Michael Jordan. Praise
Look,
me,
man,
too.
Don't come over here. I don't fuck with you.
It's an honor.
Man, get the fuck out my face. I don't fuck with you. Fuck you.
Hey,
Mary
Michael.
J. Oh, it's so good to see you. Come
I
here, give
missed
me a hug.
you. Ooh, Michael.
Good to see you. Yeah, look at this old fool right here. I used to beat his ass back in the day. Nah, you know what? Fuck that. Hey, where your shoes at? We can go one-on-one right now.
Damn it, nigga, Mike dead, sir.
They gon' take your face off. They gon' run. They gon' take your face off.
It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour. Put in the work, put in the hours, and take what's ours. Like insulin in my veins, my culture banging with strange. I change the game, so what's my motherfucking name? What they gonna get though? Desecration, defamation. If you wanna bring it to the masses, face to face, now we escalating. When I have to but boost the asses, me.
Cleared after that. And that's why he gets drilled here, and he slams the bat. Now he's making a move, and here he comes on the run, and now fisticuffs. There it is, Vina. Oh, this is just like the play in the third inning.
Ventura, RBI single in the first. Watch out. Look at this.
The ALDS, that's where Jose Bautista had the battery real fast. Now watch Ruben Anador right here. Wow! You see a lot of
chirping coming from the Pirates dugout. And now Garrett's on his way to the dugout, and here we go. Garrett goes in there punching. This is not a good scene at all.
If you go away in Texas, you gotta have a
Third down. Frost to the middle. Juggle. Diving touchdown, Nebraska. Davison on the deflection. Nebraska's a point away from tying the game. This is an incredible play. Frost has all day to throw, looking over the entire field. Finally sees somebody he likes. Ball is popped up in the air, kicked up in the air, and Davison with a dive. Looked like Wiggins was the intended receiver. It looked like Wiggins kicked the ball up in the air.
Lucic swings it around the boards, waiting for it is Greiber. His wrister scores! Greiber with a shot. Pugliarvi was right there in front.
Mike Smith, so he's going to be the benefactor. But watch this shot from Eric Greiber. It goes off right through the skate of Mark Giordano. You don't see that too often. Hits Pugliarvi and goes right 5-hole on Mike Smith. I mean, what bad luck there for Mark Giordano. Rarely do you ever see a puck go straight through the hole in the blade of the skate.
3 for 6 on the year at the free throw line. He kind of looks like Boozman in a lot of ways.
Yeah, they do. They look foreign players and quite an adjustment for him.
He's 6'11", and his high arc free throw. It fell in. Unbelievable.
How long did that stay on the rim?
It went to the back iron. It went straight up in the air. It fell right on the rim and stayed there.
It stopped.
Did not allow him to put it on the floor and get by.